Okay, just a quick video on how to measure for a Z-mount shutter. A Z-mount is a form of an inside mount. So you'll measure the width of the window at the bottom, and then in the middle, and then towards the top. You will take the smallest of those three sizes. You will do the same thing for the height. You'll measure the left, the middle, and the right, and you will take the smallest size. So here's the shutter, the Z-mount frame for that window. And as you see, it's 34 inches wide on the back side of the frame, which is the portion that fits into the window. This window measured 34 1/4 inches wide. We took off 1/4 inch so it would fit appropriately. We did the same thing on the height. Okay, as you see, with the necessary deductions, the frame fits perfectly in the window. You'll see the back portion of the frame is the side that fits in. The front portion of the frame will go around the wall and frame the window out perfectly. That's all there is to measuring. It's that easy. 10 to 15 minutes worth of work each window.